Samsung is planning a big upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, their next foldable phone. We already saw some leaks of the new design, which looks very different from the previous models, but that's not all. Samsung might also change the main camera of the Fold 6 for the first time. There are two rumors about this. One says that Samsung will use the same 200MP sensor as the S24 Ultra, which is their best camera right now. The other says that Samsung will use a new 50MP sensor that they are developing for the Fold 6. Either way, it sounds like a huge improvement. However, the other cameras, like the ultra-wide, the zoom, and the front ones, will probably stay the same as before. So Samsung is focusing on the main camera for the Fold 6. And guess what? Samsung is also working on a triple fold tablet. Yeah, you heard me right, a tablet that folds 3 times. How cool is that? They've been teasing this tech for a while, and it might be ready by 2024, but they have to hurry up because Huawei is also planning to launch a similar device. Samsung might want to beat them to it and claim the world's first title. Let me know what you think of this triple fold tablet design in the comments. And one more thing, Samsung is also preparing to launch their XR headset, which is supposed to compete with Apple Vision Pro. They have a secret team of 100 experts working on this project, and they might reveal it at their next Unpacked event. I'm really curious to see how Samsung's XR headset compares to Apple's. So that's all the latest news for today. Tell me what you think of the camera upgrade for the Fold 6 in the comments. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.